Welcome to Infobooth 19 channel. Today we are going to see one kids craft corner. So even kids can make it very easily. So we are going to use all the things which we are just normally taking and throwing it in the dustbin. Those things we are going to convert it into a beautiful DIY planter. So you can even keep this money plant or any kind of indoor plants which grows in water. You can just directly put into it. It's an awesome one. So you can keep it in your home and it will be looking amazing. To make this planter, here I have taken one small carton box. So this is one of the parcel box which I got from Nykaa. So this is not any promotional video or something, I'm just showing. And you need some newspapers, glue, and then one cutter, and this is one body shower which I used and it got over, so I didn't want to throw it. I want to use it for keeping plants. So not only this bottle, any kind of bottle which fits in the cardboard, you can use it. So this bottle is little bit taller than the carton box, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to crop it and I'm going to get one equal section so that both will come to the same size. So now newspapers, randomly cut some newspapers. We are going to make small balls out of it. So first you crush and make one small ball, and then one more paper you take and you give the even coating. You can just give a single coating and you can use Fevicol or gum to secure this one. So that's all, one small circle we have made. So there is no measurement for it. Randomly you make it, then only it will look very good. Similar kind of balls I have prepared, so there is no measurement, just make it into random sizes, then only it will give some rock structure. So now what we are going to do is, in this cardboard, so we are going to paste this. So before that, what we are going to do is, below you can just put some jute thread. Here I have jute thread, so I am placing some jute thread. If you don't have jute thread, normal woolen thread or any kind of thick material you can use. So just place some Fevicol and just keep rotating, and like this you can make it. So there is again no measurement. Now what we are going to do is, randomly we are going to place all the balls which we are made in the carton box. So you can apply Fevicol and you can just keep one by one. So no need of any measurements, just place it randomly, then only it will look very good and natural. So either you can apply Fevicol in the board and then you can stick it, or you can stick it in the paper and then you can place it. So all the four sides we are going to do in that way only. So this is up to your choice. So if you want, you can just make only 3 sides. So wherever you are placing in your home, if the back side is getting covered, means you don't need to put on all 4 sides. So now everything completely done. On the top, if you see the cardboard pieces, it is still visible. So to cover that, on top also you can just place the balls which we had made. So in that way, finishing will be very good. That's all. Now we have placed all the rocks on the cardboard. So now it is almost ready. This is how it looks like. Now we are going to color it. So to color this, you don't need more color. So here I have taken acrylic paint. So this acrylic paint, what you can do is some 2 to 3 drops or 4 drops. You can take it in one small bowl or in color palette, and you can add more water, make it more dilute, and then you can just paint this. If you see, I have used the bottle cap. I have poured little bit of acrylic paint, black color, and then I have poured more water, dilute it well, and then you can place it. Since it is a newspaper, it absorbs very faster, and even light color will look good. So you don't need to do it very thick. So I have just given evenly, I have given black in all places. If required, you can give second coating as well. For me, I think that this is okay. I don't need to give any second coating. So let it dry completely. Just at each and every step, just wait patiently for some time. Let it dry completely and then go for the next step. Now what I have taken is, I have taken the metallic golden color. So you can even take golden color or yellow color. So green color also you can use. So these colors will go very well. This golden color also dilute well with water, and then you can just brush it up. Now our coloring is completely ready. See, this is how it looks like. Now it might look something. So let's do some finishing here. So below that jute thread, we are going to give some color. Here I don't have this blue color, that's why I didn't give blue color. But if you have blue color, royal blue color, you can always place royal blue color. So this royal blue color will look very good on that. Since I don't have, I have just done in white color. So our planter is ready. Now we will see how to do the finishing. So since the bottle is little bit shorter, so we are going to place some paper in that and going to give some height. So either you can place paper or you can crush tissue paper and you can put it just to give some height. Now just keep the bottle and see, now it is perfectly fine. Now what we are going to do is I am going to fill this bottle 3/4 with water, and in that water I am going to place one money plant. So this is a kind of money plant which I have taken. This is one type. So it grows in water itself, it doesn't need any soil. So all these years I am growing this money plant in water itself. So since I propagate, and this is a new propagated baby it is actually, so I am just putting it in this. And now if you see from far, if you look, it looks like in between the rocks the leaves are coming. It will look very beautiful. So wherever you find an awesome place in your home, you can just keep it there, especially on height. If you keep it somewhere on the height with white background or any light color background, it is going to look amazing. So if you like this interesting, easy, simple DIY planter, subscribe to my YouTube channel and share with your friends and family. Be happy, stay positive, and spread the positivity to everybody. Thanks for watching.